Do you think reading English is difficult? Doctors also felt the same at first, but they improved their reading using 3 very easy habits. Today, you will learn those same secrets. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. This is lesson 6 of our playlist, The Secrets of How Doctors Improve Their English Knowledge. Today, we will learn how doctors improve their reading skills with simple, daily practice. Doctors do not start with big English books. They start with very small English texts. Examples of small texts: 1 paragraph from a newspaper, a simple health tip, a short English story, a medicine label, a signboard, a simple English Facebook post. When you read small texts, your brain feels relaxed. Doctors read slowly, using their finger or pen on the words. This helps you stay focused and understand more. Do not rush. Move your finger word by word. Doctors read 1 small text out loud every day. Reading out loud improves your reading speed, your pronunciation, your confidence. 1 minute is enough. Now, let's try reading a small paragraph together. Read with me slowly.
Health is important. We must drink water, eat healthy food, and take rest. If we feel sick, we should see a doctor. A doctor can help us get better.
Good. This is how beginner reading becomes easy. Now you try. I will give you 5 short sentences. Read them slowly. Excellent reading! Your challenge today. Find 1 small English paragraph, maybe from a book or online. Read it for 1 minute and read it out loud. So, this is the same method many doctors use every day. Well done! Today, you learned how doctors improve their reading skills using simple habits. In the next lesson, we will learn an important topic: how doctors write English clearly and simply. See you in lesson 7, only on LELTA!